Nervous coordination, part 3rd. Neuroglial cells. These are supporting cells of nervous system found in between the neurons or nerve cells. These are far greater in number than nerve cells. Types of neuroglial cells. These are of 6 types. Number 1, oligodendrocytes. Number 2, microglia. Number 3, astrocytes. Number 4, ependymal cells. Number 5, squamous cells. And number 6, satellite cells. Number 1, oligodendrocytes. These cells have few branches, and these are large cells. These form medullary or myelin sheath around axon. Myelin sheath is made up of protein and lipids, and this myelin sheath allows quick transmission of nerve impulses. This is the oligodendrocytes. It shows branches, and these branches form the medullary or myelin sheath around the axon, and this medullary sheath helps in quick transmission of the nerve impulses. Second, microglia or macrophages. These are small sized cells with few branches. These cells derived from monocytes and act as macrophages. That is, they engulf dead neurons and cell debris at the site of injury in the nervous system. Number 3, astrocytes. These are star-shaped glial cells. These are responsible to maintain homeostasis in brain and neural metabolism. एस्ट्रोसाइट्स ये स्टार लाइक सेल्स होते हैं जो छोटे होते हैं. ये नर्वस सिस्टम के इन्वायरमेंट को स्टेबल करते हैं और उसके अंदर होने वाले काम को भी ये मेंटेन करते हैं. एपेंडाइमल सेल्स. These cells form an epithelial layer that covers the cavities, that is ventricles of brain and central canal of spinal cord. These are responsible for production and flow of cerebrospinal fluid in brain. एपेंडाइमल सेल ये एक कंटिन्यूअस लेयर बनाते हैं ब्रेन की कैविटीज़ के अतराफ और स्पाइनल कॉर्ड के अंदर जो कैनल होती है, जो रास्ता होता है, उसके अतराफ एक प्रोटेक्टिव कवरिंग बनाते हैं. इनका काम होता है सेरेब्रोस्पाइनल फ्लूइड प्रोड्यूस करना और उसको ब्रेन और स्पाइनल कॉर्ड के अंदर फ्लो करने का काम ये सेल करते हैं. नंबर 5, स्क्वैम्स सेल्स. दीज आर लार्ज abundant glial cells found in peripheral nervous system. They produce myelin sheath around medullated nerves of peripheral nervous system. स्क्वैम्स सेल्स ये पेरिफेरल नर्वस सिस्टम यानी नर्व्स के अतराफ फैटी शीथ डेवलप करते हैं उस फैटी शीथ को कहते हैं मेडुलरी शीथ। नंबर 6, सैटेलाइट सेल्स। These are small multipotent cells with very little cytoplasm. They supply nutrients to the surrounding neurons and also act as protective cells. Synapse. It is the junction between two nerve cells with a minute gap in between them, which allows transmission of impulse by a neurotransmitter bridge. These are the two nerve cells and there is a small gap in between these two cells. This gap is called as synapse. This synapse help in transmission of the nerve impulses from one nerve cell to another nerve cell.